Namaste everyone. Introducing myself, it's me Smarika Neupane, the student of grade 10 of New Horizon Institute. The theme of today's Minds page is the moon, the gateway to the stars. First, I've heard that NASA has made an announcement to send astronauts back to the moon and eventually build a base there within 10 years. But do we even know what does moon base mean? There is no easy way from the earth to the star. In the past, people used to worship moon and stars as their god. But now, we are on the verge of a new age of exploration. Since 1926 AD, several countries and space agencies and also private companies and initiatives are also trying their best to land satellites in the moon surface. V-21MW 18014, launched by Germany on 20th June 1944, was the first man-made object in the space. On 20th July 1969 AD, the first step of exploration of limitless universe was done. A huge achievement was received in the sector of space exploration. Apollo 11 became the first space flight that landed Commander Neil Armstrong, lunar pilot Buzz Aldrin, and command module pilot Michael Collins on the lunar surface. Recently, Chandrayaan-2, the second lunar exploration mission developed by Indian Space and Research Organization, have been launched to study and map the variations in the lunar surface composition as well as to study the location and the abundance of lunar water. After such great moon landings, we are inspired in the expedition of searching terrestrial life in our neighboring stars and galaxies too. For this, we sent two of our objects, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, in the cold, dark, and mysterious universe far, far away from our home solar system, letting it go as far as it can. Our moon, the gateway to the stars, explores the most recent and the most spectacular scientific throughout in the expedition. Still, we have a lot to learn about the moon because it might be our stepping stones to the earth and even our gateway to the stars. In short, we can say that moon is the key to interstellar mission. As an astronaut or a mission expert, you may face several types of problems and bear many crises during each mission launches. If we are able to establish a separate station to overcome these problems, then we will be able to simplify our distant stellar mission. The moon revolves around the earth at a radius of 384,400 km, as if it is the guardian of the earth, and the orbit of the moon is like the gateway of the earth to the vast, massive millions of outermost space containing billions and trillions of the stars. Permanent human habitation on a planetary body other than the earth is one of the science's most prevalent fictions. Humans dream about leaving Earth and traveling throughout the galaxy. We can turn that dream into the reality by building a moon base today. Moon is the best place to explore unlimited resources, the place which will start a new space race, which will lay the foundation for us to spread into the solar system and the beyond. After such great moon landings, Rosetta has become the first spacecraft to land on a comet named 67P. It has proved that nothing is impossible in this world if we have will and wish to do any work, although it may take some time. At last, I would like to express my profound gratitude to the Nepal Astronomical Society (NASA), who provided me an opportunity to speak on this theme, the moon, the gateway to the star. It has not even been a century since we have started exploring the universe. We are on the verge to create the safest way from the earth to the space. We are on the journey to expand our human civilization. We are on a trip on finding an alternative of the earth, which indeed may be thousands and thousands of light years away from us. But the massive journey begins from a small step of stepping onto the moon. Thank you.